Hello and welcome to Tech Deals build video time. Today I have got a premium Intel build for you. This is our Stormtrooper build. We originally built this live on the channel in December of 2019. You might notice we have both 9th and 10th generation products on the desk. This was originally built with an i7-10700K CPU, but as we're publishing this in June of 2020, needless to say, you shouldn't do that anymore. However, you will notice a Z390 and a Z490 on the desk. We did get a motherboard change. The Intel 10th generation has launched. So if you want to follow this build guide, all you have to do is replace the i7-9700K with an i7-10700K, and then swap out the 390 for the 490, and otherwise do everything exactly the same. You will get more performance and hyperthreading because the 10700K has 8 cores and 16 threads, whereas the 9700K had only 8 cores and 8 threads for basically the same money, $409 for each CPU. That's not bad. So if you didn't build this originally, it's definitely a better deal. Now, when you watch the build video, the camera's going to be overhead in just a minute. It is going to be the previous one with the Z390 because that's what we built it with, but it's basically the same build. Everything's going to be the same. Cooler installation, SSD installation, RAM, motherboard case, power supply, everything else. It's just swap out the parts. And since it's already filmed, we're bringing it to you now. With no further ado, let's put the camera overhead and start the build. Enjoy. Single peel ASMR.
Oh, did you do it?
Yep. We are going to install our Samsung. This is actually on sale at the moment. This needs to go on first, and then on top of this, and then down to screw both. There we go. All right, now here's the cool part. These are already installed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I love how they do this. As opposed to 6 up, we don't have to put a screw in. 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is pretty cool. The cable is very nice and easy to shape wherever you want it to go. And notice that there's no screw hole mounts on the corners. So what this is this mounts here on the corner, and then these plugs go through here and mount it to the case to reduce vibration. Where does this go? I want to put this. That goes in there. I'm making everybody happy. I'm putting the power supply upside down. How are we going to make this work? Because I need one connector here and one connector here. The fun, of course, is always getting these things in place. If I have my choice, it'd be all M.2s. Everybody can laugh at my cable management later. So I'm going to stick that up here. You know, I should have run this cable before I put the fans up here, but I'll get there. Okay, so I'm gonna lose these two SATA ports because I have a drive in the second slot. No big deal. Now we need, this is the front panel HD audio connector, which I'm actually gonna run here. Power LED, power switch. Just make sure I put the plus in the right one. There we go. These go right here. We are gonna put white tips on these. Now these are not Be Quiet fans because I don't have any more Be Quiet fans. I used them all up. So these are Noctua fans. Noctua, Be Quiet, they're both awesome. Can I put the fans here? Yes, I can. That's exactly what we need to do. These new Chromax fans actually put the screw holes at the 120mm point, not the 140 point. And the places where you can put 120s versus the 140 rail is out of sync. So, stuff that down there, stick this here. Dark Rock Pro 4, awesome cooler. So these have to go in through here. So it's these little rubber O-ring things. What you do is you push those onto the screws to hold the, wow, that's kind of jank. So this has to go through the bottom, through these holes. So you got to screw these on to hold the back plate in place. All right, so the mounting bracket system is in place. You know, this almost interferes with the top M.2 slot. Not totally, but it would be really difficult to get the top M.2 drive out with this mounting system in place. So let's stick this here with the bridge in the middle with the Be Quiet logo facing up. Am I going to be able to get the RAM under that? Yeah, I think so.
It's not blocking your RAM, is it?
I hope not.
Because I can only see 3 slots.
So we need one to go here. And then one, oh my God, there is no room over here. I have no idea how I'm gonna do this. This is almost comical.
I can't even see what you...
I need to see down in there. I can't see, I need you to, there you go. This case is not large enough for this cooler. Rescue Rogue to the rescue. Rogue just said, do you need to put the RAM on before you do that? Yes, I do. RAM time. It's a tight fit, but it works.
Three hours and 39 minutes, dear.
Wow. This is longer than the last one. Holy smokes. Honey?
Yeah.
I like Be Quiet's coolers a lot less now. Okay, drives, connectors, power, cooler. Stormtrooper build. GeForce RTX 2070 Super. That's pretty sweet looking. Push the tab down there, hold these out, slide that in. You know, I might have wanted to put them up there, but there's nothing I can do about that now. Can I loop them under here? Yes, I can. This is plastic, so that's okay. Okay, everybody, close your eyes.
Everyone's eyes closed.
Man, this room, this room. Hey, honey.
Yeah.
Cleaning this room will be a job in and of itself.
Oh yeah, it looks like it's a disaster.
This room is a disaster.
If we took a picture, people would be shaking their heads.
I don't want to take a picture. So this is the front. Nice brushed. Man, I thought we were going to do an hour and a half today, and it sure wasn't. In any case, you guys all have a wonderful evening, and we will see all of you next time. Welcome back. Thank you for watching all of that. Two quick notes. Number one, in the 10th generation of Intel CPUs, all of the CPUs have hyperthreading now, including the i5 and the i7 I mentioned before. So the i5-10600K is 6 cores, 12 threads, whereas the 9th generation was just 6 cores, 6 threads. So frankly, Intel fixed the problems from the 9th to the 10th. That is definitely a good thing, and the prices basically stayed the same. Clock speeds went up, so it's a better value all the way around. If you look inside here, you'll notice that the cooler has some changes from when we originally built this machine. I took out the cooler and made some changes. I talked about that in the previous video. Ultimately, at the end of the day, custom PCs are custom. Whether you use a DarkRock Pro 4, a Noctua NHD 15, or a 280mm liquid cooler, frankly, it's going to be fine all the way around. All of those are going to cool an i7-10700K without a problem. Only the new i9-10900K is going to need a 360mm liquid cooler because that thing is a very hot chip. But the 10700 is not. It'll be fine on either of the tower coolers or the liquid cooler. I now return you to the original end of the video that we recorded some months ago. Thank you all so much for watching. I will have linked in the video description below both the new parts as well as the original parts it was built with, so you can pick and choose. Links to Amazon, Newegg, and eBay down there. Thanks so much for watching. Enjoy. Thank you to everybody who watched this entire video to this point. 2 gold stars to you if you watch this entire thing without fast forwarding. These videos take a lot of time and work to put together, but we're not done yet. Part 3 is coming very soon. Be sure to be subscribed to the channel and hit that bell notification icon to be notified when that video comes out. Don't want to wait? Want to watch it early? That's what Floatplane is for. Floatplane is the early access video service run by Linus Media Group. Link in the video description below. Subscribing to Floatplane directly supports this channel and provides us the ability to bring you even more awesome content like this with even more detail and editing. It is $5 a month. You get early access to the videos. There are over 50 Floatplane exclusive videos there that are not available to the general public, bonus behind the scenes, and a variety of other things. and no ads, which is always a nice thing. You can also support the channel on Patreon and get access to filming scripts and some of the benchmark charts early, which are posted over there. Both methods of support give you access to the private channels of chat over on the Tech Deals Discord. That's linked down in the bottom of the video description. Please come over and join us. We have a great community of quite a few people over there who enjoy technology and helping each other out. It's a great place also to ask questions such as, well, which part can I change? Or what part of this can I modify? Or how much power supply do I really need? Or what do you think about this case or that case? We get a great tech help section over there with lots of support if you want to ask questions or just get some feedback on your prospective build. Like this video if you like it, share it with your friends if you love it. Remember to subscribe to the channel with a big huge red button directly below. Questions, comments, thoughts, feedback, suggestions. There is a wonderful comment section beneath this video. I do enjoy hearing your thoughts and feedback on what you think about our various videos. I do read all the comments, even if I don't have time to personally reply to everybody, but I do appreciate you taking the time to leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching our videos. I will see all of you next time.